In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Equalizer APO on Windows 11. Equalizer APO is a powerful, open-source audio equalizer that gives you the ability to tweak and customize your audio settings to perfection. Whether you want to enhance your music listening experience, or simply fine-tune the sound for your favorite video games, this tool can certainly help. First, let's start by installing Equalizer APO on your system. If you haven't already downloaded it, go ahead and visit their official website to grab the latest version. Once the download is complete, go through the installation process. During the setup, you'll encounter the configurator. This is an essential step, as it allows you to select which playback devices you want to apply the equalization settings to. It could be your speakers, headphones, or even a USB DAC. Make sure to check all the devices you plan to use. After selecting your devices, finish the installation process. You'll be prompted to restart your PC, so feel free to do that to complete the installation. Now that you've restarted your PC, let's move on to the configuration editor. This is where all the customization magic happens. To access it, click on the Start menu and search for Configuration Editor. Once you find it, go ahead and launch it. When the editor opens, you'll be presented with the default configuration file, aptly named config.txt. This file serves as the starting point for all your audio tweaks and adjustments. To begin customizing your sound, we're going to add a graphic equalizer. In the Configuration Editor, look for the plus icon, which stands for Add. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, choose the Graphic Equalizer option. You will notice that you have several choices: a 15-band equalizer, a 31-band equalizer, or a variable band equalizer. The 15-band equalizer generally provides a good balance between precision and simplicity, whereas the 31-band option offers more detailed control over a wider frequency range. If you're unsure which one to pick, start with one and experiment to see what best suits your preference. Once you've selected your equalizer type, the sliders will appear. These sliders are crucial. They allow you to adjust different frequency bands to fine-tune your audio output. Each slider corresponds to a different frequency range, and by moving them up or down, you can increase or decrease the volume of that specific frequency range. Feel free to experiment with these settings until you achieve the sound that's just right for you. By following these steps, you should now have a better grasp on how to use Equalizer APO on Windows 11. Enjoy exploring and discovering the various soundscapes you can create.